classy ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I installed this Wiggins hair. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. Okay you guys, so before I show you guys how I installed this hair, I did want to give you guys a little bit of details about this hair. That way you guys know everything about it. So I purchased this hair from Wiggins.com. I will put the link down below. That way you guys can go directly to the website. This hair, let me first tell you guys, this is a HD lace front wig, and it is a 13x4. I did do a unboxing with you guys, so hopefully I post that before this one. So if you haven't seen that video, please go and check that out. You can see exactly how I took it out of the packaging and what it came in and all of those things, and you'll see exactly how the lace is itself in the inside. So please check that out if you have not seen that video yet. So yeah, so this is a HD lace, and I did have to put some concealer here to kind of match my skin tone. This is a 32 inch, so it does go all the way down to my waist area, even further down, almost to my butt area. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is a 32 inch, so it does go all the way down to my waist area. Oh, like I said, it is a 13x4, so I do have lace from ear to ear, and then this is the amount of parting space that I have. And also, it did not come this color. As you can see, this is like a jet black color. It did not come this color. Like I said, check out that unboxing so you can see the original color that it came in. It was like a I want to say it was like a number 2 color, like a dark brown color. And so what I did was I watercolored this, and I dyed it jet black with a door coloring dye. So I didn't do, you know, a watercolor video for this wig just because I do already have a watercolor video on my channel. So I said, no, let me not do that. I already did that already, so I'll just do it off camera. And that's what I did. I did it off camera. So yeah, but I did watercolor it jet black. So I don't know, for some reason I just love the way dark black hair looks on me, because it always, you know, matches my eyeliner very well. So I always do jet black or pink, as you guys always see on my channel. So yeah, let's see. Oh, so let me tell you guys the density. Do you see how thick that is? Like, this is really thick. It is 250 density, so it is really thick, and I love that. I am going to do a honest review, so I'm not going to put too many details about this wig in this video. This video is strictly like how I installed the Wiggins hair, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit details about the hair. So I will be doing another video, so also check that out as well. I'll be letting you guys know like the true details about this hair. Like, is it good quality? Does it shed? Is the lace strong? You know, does it rip or tear? It's a lot of things I have to say about this hair, because this is my first time using their company, and I truly wanted to do a review on that. So I will be doing a video on that, and please check that out as well. So enough of me rambling, because I know I can ramble and go on and on and on, and I know you guys did not come here for that. You guys came here to see a install of Wiggins hair. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys see that, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give some likes down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy. Bye. guys.